Kshatriya means it is the people who belong to energy. That is the meaning of Kshatriya. It doesn't belong to caste. The energy is not for one particular person. Today generation times it's give you the strength and confidence in your life. Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam, and today we are talking about one of the important subjects. So I want to introduce you is director Shivanch. He's a producer, music producer. He is all the way come from Bombay. Actually, he's a Tamil and Hindi speaking guys, but he is already a musician and he already doing a lot of successful movies as well. And welcome Shivanch. Tell me about what is you have any doubts, any questions you want to ask about this tradition and warrior fitness arts?
First of all, Master, I would like to thank you for this whole environment.
Thanks.
Very divine. Secondly, what is the importance of Kshatriya in everyone's life? And is Kshatriya just a community or caste, or is it a feeling?
That's a very, very deep question. But Kshatriya means it is the people who belong to energy. That is the meaning of Kshatriya. It doesn't belong to caste. But people who's like nowadays is army is not a caste. But people put him, I'm army ex-service. That's not a caste, isn't it? That is the title of what he worked for. That is his experience is in an army. That's it. But before you tell me Shivanch Kshatriya means working in army. That's it. But nowadays people think Kshatriya is a caste. No, it's not a caste. It's one of the genetics. It's one of the genetic is called Kshatriya. Kshakthiriya means the people who work for Shakti. People work with the Shakti, people increasing the energy, increasing the strength, they are called Kshatriya. Shakti ki Uriyavan is belong to energy. So energetic people.
And this energy exists in everyone?
Everyone.
Those people who are in army?
No, everyone. Because energy is not for one particular person, but what this tribe, then genetic, like especially for Kshatriya tribe, they have the quick reflection of the energy. Like example, how speed the snake will bite you. That's the same speed even the bullet can't go past you. So that speed they attack. That is the speed of the things. So that is the energy who's belong to people who's trained to Kshatriya. Train as a Kshatriya. Is all your train. You can be a Kshatriya. You can train to be a Kshatriya, but you can't born to a Kshatriya. Born is one of the genetic quality of Kshatriya, but doesn't make that you are be a whole life you are be Shakti. Okay? That is the meaning of Kshatriya. But this is a warrior fitness. Warrior fitness, the fitness giving for fit into the warrior style. Like be a warrior. Like example, in ancient times, people go for war. They doesn't go for lunch break, tea break, lunch break, nothing. They go to 6 to 6. That's it. They have empty stomach, they fight, they create energy inside, everything. They're protecting their, be a survivor of that.
And Master, how is this Silambam art is relevant in today's generation's time? How is it relevant?
Today generation times it's give you the strength and confidence in your life. Because the children they are focused on education. They think education is all come from books. It's not come from books, it's come from practice. Chittiramum Kaipalakam. It means art is not from the mind. You be an artist, drawing a fine artist, you are drawing some figures. It's not come from your brain. It's come from the movement of your arms. So Sithiramum Kaipalakam. Sendamil na palakam. So Sendamil, you want to speak in Tamil, it's from tongue practice. It's not from your mind practice to be speaking a Tamil. It's a tongue practice. So drawing is a hand practice, speaking a language is a tongue practice. Warrior is an energy practice. So how long your energy, how durations of energy you have. You have the short durations of energy and then you tell me, I am all Shakti also, I want to go for Shakti. To 6 to 6, do you fight for 6 to 6? No. You go to sleep on the war. So this genetic, not long durations of energy. So this is long duration. Okay, you put it on. So that is a training.
As you mentioned, Master, genetic meaning from the birth itself or from heritage. So what do you mean by genetic?
Genetic means like your fathers and you come from some kind of genetic. You are genetic modified by your father and mother. So the genetic is come from mom and dad and mom and dad and mom and dad. Always. And that's why Mata Pita. After Guru is put the knowledge and then God is your belief. So this all identity. They give all identity to you. So if you pray Hinduism, they call Hindu. If you pray Christian, that is identity. So the gods give you mother and father, give you birth identity. My mom and dad. So Guru, knowledge identity. Oh, he is a master. Parshurama's disciple. Oh, Parshurama disciple. Oh, that's mean very strong, strong warrior, strong people. So the identity. So these 4 people give you identity in your life. After your own belief only, it's make you into a bigger level. That is the strength of who you are. Okay, thank you for coming. And you any other questions?
No.
Thank you for things. If you anyone have doubt, you can write about it. We talk a lot about things more. Thank you for.